To open the activity editor, click on an assignment. The right side shows the settings panel, and I can click this edit button to alter the title, set a due date, change the points possible, or change the grading policies, and click Save when you're done. To view a question, double-click on it. I can interact with the preview and close the preview when I'm done. To view the whole assignment as a student, click this button. To jump to a specific question, I can use these numbers on the left. And as usual, I can interact with the question, click Check Answer to see what a student would see. To go to the previous view, click Return to Activity Editor. To change the order of the questions, I can just grab a question and drag it to where I want it to go. If I hold Shift while I click, I can select multiple questions and move them with these arrow buttons, and I can always undo or redo my changes. To create a question pool, I can select a couple questions and click this folder icon, and now I've got a question pool, and I can change the number of assigned questions. I can delete the pool, unpool the questions, or collapse the pool. If I want to change what columns are displayed or the order that the columns are in, I can use this button. And let's say I also want to see a source column and that I want it to be before difficulty. Now you can see I've got a source column. If I want to get rid of questions, I can just select a question, or I can select multiple questions and click the trash button. If I want to add questions, and let's say I want another one on the classification of matter topic, I just select a question that's in that topic and then click the Locate button. That opens the library straight to this classification of matter topic, and now I can see what other questions are available to me in that topic, and the check mark indicates which one's already in the assignment. If I want to add another question, I can just click the checkbox and it'll put it at the bottom, or I can grab a question and I can drag it to where I want it to go. The item counts here show how many questions are available in each subject or chapter or section or topic. If I select the entire Sapling General Chemistry library, I can use this filter button to filter my results, and let's say I want to find question ID 1800. I can do that very quickly and add it to my assignment. On the library side, I can also adjust what columns I see like I could on the assignment side. And I can add new questions, duplicate and edit a question, or edit my own questions.